Hello everyone, my name is Petro and in this video I'm going to be showing you a battery charger from TRONIC. This specific one I bought from Lidl. I paid $12.99 for it, but you should be able to get it from other online retailers such as eBay or Amazon. But of course Lidl will have the advantage of selling this cheaper compared to any other retailer out there. So what I'm going to do is show you the box itself and of course show you how the product works. Now this one is a really good product to buy. If you have a lot of equipment that uses batteries, definitely I would advise you to invest in one of these devices and also invest in buying rechargeable batteries, because in the long run it will definitely save you money, but of course it will save the environment as well, because you're using those batteries instead of buying new ones. So let's get into it. So this is the box itself, medium-sized box. This specific one comes with 3-year warranty, just to mention that really quickly. And then let's just get to the information on the box itself. So it says here minus delta U shut off makes it impossible to overcharge batteries. Fast battery charger with USB port. Now here we'll have the information on the type of batteries this device will take, their capacity, their charging time, and the charging current. So there's a lot of useful information here. This is what the product looks like, but we will get into it in a second. Now let's see what information we have here towards the bottom. This one comes with a USB charging port for charging devices such as mobile phones, etc. And then of course on the right side, or the bottom side, or the right side at the bottom, you get different LED indicators explaining each one of them what it is. Now on the other side here, just some information, some further information, and that's it. So let's see what's on the back. So there is a lot of technical information on the back as well. Again, you can just pause and read at any time. Now the way to open this one is from the left side or the right side. I opened already the right side, so if you need to use a knife or a scissor, something sharp to get the plastic sealing or sticker, so it will allow you to open it. So this is the box, and then we get the product itself. I'll get into it in a second. You get an owner's manual with a barcode which you can scan to get the online PDF guide in case this one is not helpful for you. So this is the product itself. It's definitely not light, but not very heavy either. So this is the information on the front. Again, there is a lot of LED lights here, and also the LED light indicators. So if it's green, if it's solid green, it says fully charged. If it's red, then it shows that it's charging. So from the looks of it, you can get one. Actually, we'll find out in a second how many batteries you can fit. So it's 2, 4, 6. So I believe you can have 6 AA batteries at the same time, and I believe 6 of the smaller ones probably, but we should be able to get to that in a second. And then you get two 9-volt batteries we can charge at the same time, and also you get an LCD screen. LCD, I believe so. So let's see the information on the back. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in to the electricity. Let's see. Now I'm not entirely sure, but the lights went red as soon as you put it on the wall, so it shows that actually it's plugged to the wall, but I don't know if the camera managed to pick that. So you can use any type of rechargeable battery. I personally prefer the TRONIC ones, which is the same brand as the device itself. Now these specific ones, I will explain the reason why I like them as well. Now these specific ones are a bit fancy, so you get this rainbow colorish. And these ones I bought from Lidl. I believe I paid, normally they are $5.99, but I got them with 30% off and they were $4.19, so you get 8 batteries. So it's 2, 4, 6. So you get 8 batteries, 8 rechargeable batteries with £4 and 19 pence. And this specific one have up to 1000 times recharging cycle. So what I'm going to do is I bought 2 packets of them. Then let's see how many of this we can fit in there. but actually see what happens when we actually fit the batteries in there as well. Again, as I mentioned, they are very fancy. And let me just show you the information on the battery itself. So this specific one says that the charging time is 7 hours, but they might take less. So if I were to put the battery in there, so let me just see how many we can fit at the same time. Very easily, you just scroll them in, literally just like I'm doing here, and it should be as simple as that. And then 2, 4, 6, so you can fit 6 AA, or you can fit 6 AAA batteries, which are the smaller ones, which are these ones here. Again, these are from TRONIC, but they are AAA. The same applies to these ones. They can be used up to 1,000 times to recharge. These ones I bought them for £2.99, but one packet of them I bought it for £2.09 because they were at 30% off. If you would like to see the information here on the back. They have the low self-recharge, which says eco-friendly rechargeable batteries compared to the standard ones. So these are definitely good to use. I've been using them for a while, so I would definitely advise you to get one of them. So let's see here what's happening with the lights and the screen. Now, if the green is flashing, which you can see here, it says pre-charge. So what happens is the machine takes the information from the battery to see at what level it is, and then of course safely start charging it. Now, when it's red, it says that it's charging, and as we can see from here, the two of them that are flashing are on the pre-charge, whereas the ones that are solid red have slowly started charging. So this is at 20% and this is at 20%, but don't forget, these are already pre-charged. So what this is doing is just started counting to find out at the level of the battery, the level of charge of the batteries, and then take it from there, and that safely won't harm the battery itself, and do it properly. And you can see all the information from the screen here. It's as simple as that. I will definitely advise you guys to get one of these devices and get rechargeable batteries if you use equipment that takes batteries. Again, you will save money at the same time as helping the environment, not causing any more pollution. But it's as simple as that. Again, don't forget that you can use any type of rechargeable battery, but I would advise you to get the TRONIC ones that are made from the same brand as the device itself. It's as simple as that. Again, thank you for watching the video. Do press the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and until next time, stay safe and take care.